Everyone, in today's videos, we are going to solve this complex number problem iota power 13 plus iota and whole power 5. Let us solve this. First of all, we write its solution iota power 13 plus iota and whole power 5. First method is that we can use a plus b and whole power 5. It is a lengthy process and we have to solve it in a simple way. Let us solve this. First of all, we can write it as iota power 13. 13 can be break down as 12 plus 1 plus iota and whole power 5. Now, we know that a power n plus m, it is equal to a power n times a power m. Now, we use this identity and our next step will become, it will become iota power 12 times iota and plus iota and whole power 5. Power 12. 12 can be written as 2 times 6. It becomes 12 times iota plus iota and whole power 5. Now our next step will become iota power 2 and whole power 6 times iota plus iota and whole power 5. Now before moving to the next step, we know that iota power 2, it is equal to minus 1. Thus, our next step will become iota square. In place of iota square, we put minus 1 and whole power 6 times iota and plus iota and whole power 5. Now, it is equal to minus 1 power 6. It become 1 times iota and plus iota and whole power 5. Now it is equal to iota plus iota and whole power 5. And iota plus iota, it become 2 of iota and whole power 5. Now we know that a times b whole power n, it is equal to a power n times b power n. Sorry here. Now it is equal to 2 power 5 times iota power 5. No, 2 power 5. 2 power 5, it is equal to 32 and iota power 5. Now our next step will become 32 and iota power 5. It can be written as iota power 4 plus 1. Now it is equal to 32 times iota power 5 times iota. Now it is equal to 32 and iota power 4. It can be written as iota power 2 and whole power 2 times iota. Now it is equal to 32 times iota power 2. It is equal to minus 1 power 2 times iota. Now it is equal to 32 and iota minus 1 power 2. It is equal to 1 times iota. Thus, when we multiply that, it becomes 32 of iota. This is our final answer. If you're new here, make sure that you to subscribe our channel for a more informative video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.